Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And I will be talking about a very commonly used term in trading, which is known as oversold. And oversold is actually a term which is used when the price of an underlying asset or stock has fallen sharply to a level below its true value resides, or below its much below its support level. So this condition is usually a result of market overreaction or panic selling, and is generally considered short term in nature. So when an asset has been oversold, the price is expected to rebound in an event referred to as a price bounce. So now, if you break down this particular term, it's often considered to have a selling price that is too low in comparison to the actual value of the asset. So this can be based on certain metrics, including the current price to earnings ratio. For example, Dow Industrial had a PE ratio of 19.07 as on July 1, 2016, and if a particular stock had a PE ratio below 19.07, while other stocks from the same industry were above 19.07, the first stock may be considered oversold. Now, this belief may be strengthened if the stock also shows higher than average earnings or growth when compared to others in its sector. Now, typically securities oversell due to an overreaction on part of the investors regarding a piece of news or other information, and once buying or selling begins to increase, that activity spurs more of the same. So, prices for the security shift according to prices of the security shift according to the direction of the market movement, with buying leading to higher prices and selling resulting in lower ones. Now, if you analyze oversold assets that have experienced sharp declines over a brief period of time are often deemed to be oversold. For example, in Indian stock market at this point of time, there are few stocks like Idea and Tata Motors look to be in oversold level. Now, I'm not saying that these are always there, that, but it's been on a downtrend from some time, and then this downtrend, this downtrend should also show in some kind of indicators. Now, I have not analyzed these stocks for now, but then it has been on a downtrend from some time. There are certain ways to see how an asset is oversold or a stock is oversold level, and that's when you should actually enter into that stock for short term benefits, for a reversal. So so that's a term commonly used, and there's also another term which is commonly used, which is exactly the opposite of oversold, which is overbought, and which exactly means the opposite of it. So just like an oversold asset, the price decreases, and overbought assets occur when the market experiences a significant rise in that buying of that particular security and more than its asset value. So yeah, so that's about oversold term used in trading, very commonly used. So hope you enjoyed this informative video, and thank you so much. And if you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to comment, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you, and I will see you again on my next video.